Have you wondered why it is that some people enjoy good fortune while others do not? While some climb the professional and social ladders quite easily and quite early in life, while others do not. Their royal status and enormous wealth might be a result of the Mahabhagya Yoga. In Vedic astrology, the Mahabhagya Yoga plays a very significant role as it makes a person powerful, successful, and triumphant. These peoples are highly influential and often enjoy celebrity status in society. Mahabhagya Yoga in astrology. Mahabhagya Yoga is one of the most powerful and popular yoga in Vedic astrology. As the name suggests, Maha means great and Bhagya means fortune or luck. So, if you have Mahabhagya Yoga in your horoscope chart, you were probably born with a silver spoon in your mouth. You will certainly be blessed with a great fortune. So, propitious is this yoga that it enhances the overall quality of the horoscope chart. It is known to be very rare yoga when the combinations are different for male and female native. How is Mahabhagya Yoga formed? If the native is male, Mahabhagya Yoga is formed when the male native's birth is during the day hours and the ascendant as well as the sun and the moon occupy the position of odd signs like Aries, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius or Aquarius in their birth chart. If the native is female, Mahabhagya Yoga is formed when the female native's birth is during the night hours and the ascendant as well as the sun and moon occupy the even signs like Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn or Pisces in their birth chart. Significance of Mahabhagya Yoga. Those born with this combination are said to have amassed good karma in their previous lives, due to which they are now rewarded with many comfort and luxuries. Mahabhagya Yoga is considered to be auspicious because its presence brings exceptional achievement in life. However, only a few horoscopes are blessed with this yoga. With Mahabhagya Yoga in your horoscope chart, fortune will favor you in extraordinary ways, bringing you wealth and fame. However, the sort of outcome you get from the combination of the sun, moon, and ascendant depends on their association with the benefic or malefic planets in the birth chart. One can gain a good fortune if all the planets are benefic in the birth chart, but the result will be negative if the planets are malefic. Effects of Mahabhagya Yoga. A person with Mahabhagya Yoga in their birth chart is blessed by Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. In other words, this represents the wealth and glory one strives to achieve in life. Those blessed with Mahabhagya Yoga are very popular in public and enjoy a good reputation. Some effects of this yoga are: a person with Mahabhagya Yoga in the horoscope chart will have a good appearance. Mahabhagya Yoga will ensure the continuous creation of wealth and thus the ability to live a luxurious life. Female natives born in this combination will have a kind nature and will receive much happiness from the husband and children. She will be wealthy and her family will prosper. Male natives born with Mahabhagya Yoga will have good character. He will be intelligent and influential.